Now, wala ito sa objectives pero it's also important to discuss the Dalton's atomic theory. Para pang segue siya sa objective number 6, which is to determine the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons of a given isotope from element. So, first law, first Dalton's atomic theory is that we have atoms that are minute and indivisible. This just means na the atom is the smallest unit of matter. Hindi na siya pwede mapailiit pa because it's indivisible. Second Dalton's atomic theory, atoms are neither created nor destroyed in chemical change. This atomic theory corresponds with the first law, which is the law of conservation of mass. Okay? Kasi before their action, same pa rin yung mass. After their action, same pa rin yung mass. So, walang na-create, nor walang na-destroy na chemical change. Atoms are just um, rearranged sa isang chemical change. Right? So, for the third one, all atoms of an element are alike in terms of mass, etc. But that of one element is different from the other. So for the fourth one, atoms of different elements combine in simple whole number ratios to form compound. It, it aligns with the law of multiple proportions. Kasi ang elements, for example, N at O, di lang siya pwedeng N at O. Pwede din siya mag-combine into NO2 or pwede siya mag-combine into N2O3. So for the fifth atomic theory, in chemical reactions, atoms are combined, separated, or rearranged. Hindi pwedeng ma-create, hindi pwedeng ma-destroy. Hindi pwedeng maka-create ng bagong compound, hindi pwedeng maka-destroy ng bagong compound. In chemical reactions, atoms are just combined, separated, or rearranged.